Hi guys, welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we're going to take a look at Solana or Sol. Before we begin the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and in the comment section below I will leave two links, one to our free Telegram group where you can receive daily market updates and stay up to date on the trades we are taking in the premium group, and also a link to our website where you can find out more information about us and also find all of our results from the premium group. So I thought I'd take a look at Sol this week because we've had a couple of weeks really of quite strong moves, and it's been a while since we looked at this. I think the last time we did a video analysis was back in February on this. So starting off here looking at the weekly chart, and actually we're in a very similar position to when we last looked at it. We can see we still have this area of resistance to break around like $27, $28, which was the previous range lows from the middle of the year last year, May time last year. We can see we had a big breakdown in November with the rest of the market and still failed to reclaim this previous range. I think actually last time we looked at it, we had just rejected from these levels, sort of around here was when we looked at it. We did come back to test it again just before early March and rejected, and again in April as well, but so far have been unable to reclaim this. And it's no surprise to see this be resistance, because not only did we have the previous range lows from the breakdown, but we also looked before at the fib levels. We had in September these two weekly rejections here from the same level, and we ran the fib tool from the top there to the lows, and that lined up perfectly. The 618 fib, $27 there, so it's kind of another confluence to our previous range low. So this is still the level for us to break above. One positive sign we have seen this week, or a few hours until the weekly close, but it's looking like we may break out of the downtrend which was running from August. On the weekly chart we can see a number of rejections. So here the one we mentioned there, October, this one here in April, also again early June. As long as we close above $20 this week, then we look to have finally broken that almost 1 year downtrend, and then it is a case of a move towards that $27 level, flip that, and then we're targeting back up towards $40. I did mention in the previous video as well that $15 and below was good to accumulate for the medium to long term. If anyone did accumulate there, then you'll be in very nice profit at the moment. I think we spoke about it. It was very simply, we had these on this big breakdown here. We had this level which we saw in March was tested here, and we also had a period where we could have accumulated here at these levels. So the previous weekly resistance turning into support, a good area for accumulation for this move up. So looking at obviously the sort of medium term targets I'm looking at from here, if we confirm this breakout, let's start to look towards $27 next. But looking at a smaller time frame, so we'll go to the 4-hour chart, and for those who watched the previous video, I did mention about how the EMA50 was quite a significant level for this, and it's quite clean to trade, and it has remained the same throughout the last few months. So here I'll turn on the EMA50. You can see it's the brown line here, and we can see really clearly, even if we go back a few weeks, how it seems that each time the level is flipped, so we break above the EMA50 here, the first retest offers a really nice bounce here, and each time we break down as well, so we get the breakdown here, the first retest of the EMA50 results in a big rejection. Here we're still seeing it acting as resistance, but if I just zoom in a little bit, it might be a bit clearer on the video. Again here we flip it, holds on the first retest for a big move there, still holds as support. So it's kind of, if you're trading this EMA50, every time we're above it, trade the retest, you look to take good profits. And again here, we break above it here after trading below it, First retest right off that EMA50 for like an immediate, well, 18% bounce in 4 hours. So this is really significant. Again, we get it here. So you can simply on the 4 hour look to trade the EMA50. If it breaks below, then you can look to short the retest. So definitely keep an eye on that line, guys. Hope you found this video useful. And as I said, as long as we hold close this week in the next few hours above the $20, we could look to target $27 next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.